Hey everyone, welcome back to Garnock Reviews. Today we're checking out a 2023 Yamaha AR190 jet boat. This was on display at last year's Daytona Beach Boat Show. And this is a great boat to consider as an entry-level boat. There's so much space and comfort on board, you'll enjoy a day on the water without breaking the bank. She measures in at 19 feet 5 inches in length, she's got a beam at 8 feet 2, and she's got a draft at only 15 inches. And she's got a weight of just under 2,500 pounds, so she's easily towed behind most SUVs and trucks. This one's got the comfort to enjoy being a day cruiser, but she's also got the power if you're into water sports. You can go wakeboarding, skiing, or a combination of the above, and have a great day on the water together. One thing Yamaha does really well with their jet boats is they have got rudders underneath here as well as a jet drive, and that just improves the maneuverability of the boat, especially at slow speed. So when you're bringing it back on the trailer or bringing it to the dock, you get far more control. And you can see this one's also got a boarding ladder tucked underneath the bathing platform, so if you were in the water or if you were trying to get on the trailer, then it's easy enough to gain access. From a price point of view, at the boat show this one was on offer, as you see here, for $43,594, and they had a finance special running at that time for it was $375 per month with approved credit. As soon as you step on board, the first impression is I was impressed with how much space there were and how much seats there are for a boat that's only 19 feet in length. She's registered to carry 8 people or 1,600 pounds. And if you lift this transom hatch, you get access straight to the jet drive, so if you do suck up plastic bags or whatever, it's easy enough to clean that out without having to get somebody to go in the water. I like the padded backrest that you have here, that way it's rear facing, so if you do have somebody that's in the water wakeboarding or whatever, you can keep a close eye on them. Moving into the main cockpit, that cockpit table you see on the right hand side is a great feature, but it can also be relocated to other points in the boat, and it can also be easily removed if you need the extra space. And you'll see that we've got storage underneath almost all the seats on board. You also have solid handholds, drinks holders and speakers throughout. I also like this snap-in marine grade carpet that's on board. It's really comfortable on your feet, the deck won't get hot, but the carpet is also easily removed, so if you do need to clean it or if you're storing it somewhere, it can be easily done. And then for the engine, this has got the 4-cylinder 4-stroke 1.8 litre high output Yamaha marine engine. You've also got 40 gallon fuel capacity on board. Should hit speed somewhere around 40 mile an hour, and you'll probably cruise around 20-25 mile an hour, something like that. And then onto the helm, that's on the starboard side. I liked how comfortable the seat was at the helm, whether you're sitting down or standing up. It's got the bolster effect, which is always beneficial. You can also tilt the steering wheel to suit. There's plenty of room here. I'm 6'2" and I never felt like my knees were banging off the dash or anything like that. This one's also equipped with cruise assist. It's very similar to cruise control, and it's really beneficial in low wake zones. Then we've got a multi-function display unit in the middle, and we'll also have stereo controls as well. And I like the fact there's also cigarette charger points on here. Not only are they great for cell phones, but you can also power up handheld VHF radios or handheld GPS while you're out on the water. And on the main deck, you'll see that we've got a large storage compartment. This is ideal if you wanted to carry things like skis. You might want to throw in a couple of fishing rods and things like that. And on the port side, we've got a large storage locker. As you can see here, we've got infill cushions. I think that's the one that covers the engine compartment. And in some boats, this is actually big enough where you can put one of those portable head compartments in here. I'm not sure if this one is or not, because I never got to see it when it was all cleared out. And then on the bow, you see we've got very comfortable seating up here. Again, we've got handholds, drink holders and speakers throughout. And there's a great deal of storage underneath the forward section. That'll be ideal when you're underway. You can put some ropes and fenders in here, or when you're using the boat, this would also be a great place to put some of the canopy covers or things like that and keep them out the way. The forward section, however, doubles up as an anchor locker, and it's got grooves in here where you can securely locate the anchor. That way you don't need to worry about the anchor moving while the boat's underway. And lastly, I want to talk about that archway that's over the top. This one's got a built-in bimini cover, and that way it expands over the majority of the boat, giving you shade and protection. I also like the fact that this one's easy to lower, so that if you are towing it on the road, you don't need to worry about that height as much. But it's also strong enough that when it is in use, you can tow your skiers and wakeboarders behind with confidence. Overall, I think this is a great boat for the size and price. It'd be easy to spend a day on the water and enjoy yourself with friends and family. But I'd love to hear your thoughts and comments. If you can leave a comment down below. If you haven't done so already, if you can hit the like and subscribe button, it really does make a difference. And I look forward to catching you on the next one. Thanks everyone.